If your ElevenLabs voiceovers sound robotic, flat, or unnatural, the problem usually comes down to the settings. Small adjustments can completely change how realistic the AI voice sounds. So in this guide, I'll show you the best ElevenLabs settings for realistic voiceovers in 2026. Before adjusting settings, choose a voice that already matches your content style. Some voices naturally sound more human, conversational, or cinematic than others. One of the most important settings is stability. Lower stability usually creates more emotional and natural delivery, while higher stability sounds more controlled and consistent. Clarity settings can improve pronunciation, but too much clarity may make the voice sound overly sharp or artificial, so you'll want to find a balance between clean speech and natural tone. Style exaggeration controls how expressive the voice becomes. Using extreme settings can sometimes sound unnatural, so moderate adjustments usually work best for professional narration. Even the best settings won't help if the script sounds robotic. Yeah, natural punctuation, shorter sentences, pauses, and conversational wording are extremely important. And that's your full guide to the best ElevenLabs settings for realistic voiceovers. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to make AI narration sound smoother, more natural, and more professional.